Alright, so today, guys, we are going to be learning about the standard algorithm for division. Okay, the word standard algorithm, don't let those words scare you because they sound kind of weird, algorithm, just means standard is like the normal, and algorithm means steps to solve a problem. So these are just the normal steps to solve division, just the normal steps. This way is a little bit faster. It's not as mathematical. The area model does a really good job explaining it in terms of place value and breaking it down into the hundreds, tens, and ones, just like that expanded form up top. But this is a faster way to do it. We're still going to be drawing our T-charts, but we're not going to be adding all those zeros on them this time. So that's going to save us some time. All right, and we're going to be working with smaller numbers also. So it makes it a little bit easier. Now, when you go to write these problems, because I want you to take these notes in your journal, okay, you're going to still have your divisor on the outside like this, but with your box model, this right here, your division sign, which is kind of like your box model, you're going to write the 3 like this, and then split it from the 8 like this, and leave a little room right here in front of the 8, and I'll show you why in just a little bit. Okay, but you're going to split these two numbers apart just by drawing a little line between them, like you would on a box model, kind of. All right, so we're still going to do our T-chart for the 8s. And I'm going to do mine kind of fast. If you need to pause to do yours, pause this to do yours. And you don't have to leave a lot of room over here because we're not drawing zeros on it. Okay, so right now I'm going to look on my chart and see, do I have anything on my chart close to just the 3, And the smallest number I have is an 8. So because I don't, I'm going to say 0, 0, and subtract. Okay, 0, 0, and subtract. I can't make my chart any smaller. So nothing on it works. So 0, 0. Doesn't work. All right, so when I subtract, I get 3. I'm going to bring my 3 over here. Just like when we first learned our area model, we drug our number over and made a new box. It's the same thing, except I'm only bringing the 3 over to my tens place with my 8, so 38. Now I'm going to look at my chart and see, can I get close to 38? Yeah, look right here. I can use my 32. So my 4 goes up top. This time I'm not adding those together though. This is just going to be my answer, 4. Okay, I subtract my 32 and I end up with 6. 6 is less than 8, so I know I'm done. So my answer is 4 remainder 6. No adding up top at all. That's just your answer, 4 remainder 6. Okay, let's look at another one. Oh man, this one looks so easy. We got 4, we're dividing by 4, and we want to split up the number 6. I don't even have to separate anything on this one. Okay, so I'm going to make my T-chart. And we're starting easy today, and then we'll work our way up to those 4-digit numbers with this method this week. And you're going to see how it's so much faster to do them this way. Okay, so I'm going to look for something close to 6. 4 is the closest I can get because 8 is too much. You can't go over it. So I put a 1 up top, minus 4. 2 is less than 4. I know I'm done. So my answer is 1 remainder 2. Okay, all right, this one's a little bit harder. All right, I'm dividing by 7. Remember, I am going to split these numbers apart like this and draw my 7's T-chart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. So looking for 4 in my chart, the smallest I have is 7. So I'm going to put 0, 0. Get 4 left over. I'm dragging the 4 over here to do 46. The closest I can get now is 42. So you put 6 up top minus 42, and that equals 4. So I can't drag it over here because there's nothing left. Plus, look, my number is less than 7. So that becomes my remainder. 6, remainder 4. All right, let's do one more together. All right, so we have 36. Split those apart. And I'm going to divide them by 5. All right, so we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so nothing is close to 3 because look, my smallest number is a 5. So 0, 0. And I'm left with 3. I'm going to drag my 3 over. So I have 36. 35 is the closest. So you put 7 up top minus 35. And you're left with 1. That 1, we can't split it up into 5 groups. So I say I have 1 left over, a remainder of 1. All right, so I have picked 4 for you to try. I want to see your work just like I showed. Yes, you have to do a D chart. Yes. Okay, and I want you to try it this way and see how you do. Okay? Awesome. Do your best.